This is Sounds of the Holiday from NBC Action News.
Good morning and welcome to the Sounds of the Holiday. I'm Mark Clay.
I'm Elizabeth Alex. Over the next 2 hours, we will be bringing you some of your favorite holiday carols sung by high school choirs throughout the metro.
And members of the NBC Action News team will also be sharing their favorite holiday memories. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the Sounds of the Holiday.
Here we come a-caroling among the leaves so green. Here we come a-wandering so fair to be seen. Love and joy come and to you let Christmas do. Unto the green olive, most friendship is flaming, most love here for me. While people sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Ding dong, ding dong, and bells dong, ding joyful ring, oh caroling, ding dong, ding ding dong.
11 years ago, I was going through chemotherapy treatments for cancer, and Christmas Day was right down the middle of my third series of treatments. And I did not feel very well at all. But on that day with family, I didn't feel good, so I had to go lie down several times. But with all the holiday spirit around me, I was able to get up, enjoy the present exchange and all the holiday meals. And that memory is just a powerful one for me. Enjoy every day, everyone. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. Have a great day.
Thank you so much for joining us this Christmas morning for Sounds of the Holiday.
Now, if you missed any of these performances, we have them online at NBCActionNews.com. Look under Spotlight.
For all of us here at NBC Action News, have a great holiday.